Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to show you what are the pre-installed applications and is there any kind of bloatware present in the Xiaomi Pad 5 device or not. This is a Xiaomi Pad 5 tablet which I'm trying to use exactly, and just now I did do the unboxing video and I did not even install any other applications at this moment exactly in this tablet, as you can clearly see friends. So this is so far the clean MIUI tablet or maybe a smartphone I have used so far. So this is not the smartphone anyway, this is a tablet. So this is a very smooth and very clean interface. As you can see friends, the main reason is because there is nothing much ads I can actually see and there is no bloatware at all. Yes, apart from Netflix I cannot find any other bloatware in this tablet exactly. As you can see, rest of the applications are completely kind of Google related applications, so which came out obviously with the Android. But anyway, the only one application which is the Netflix is the only the one which has been installed as a bloatware, that's it. And next is Share Me also application is there. But apart from that MIUI and the Google based application, there's nothing much other applications which got installed. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off until then, bye.